I've been talking for about a minute and I just realized I was on mute, so I'm gonna just run it back. Good morning, guys. This is the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Go ahead and turn on that little bell because we are live every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watts. That's West African time. That being said, let's get right into the charts. Okay. So gold is gold is up there right now. Gold is up there right now. If there wasn't news, I would probably be in a trade before I even started the stream. I mean, right now I don't really have positions in right now, to be honest. Yeah, you sort of have this candle. I mean, if you take out these highs, you could start driving up here, but there is news today, so we can bank on news as well to bring in some volume, right? Yeah, if the news is bullish, right? If the news is in our favor to take some more buys going up, the imaginary levels shouldn't really matter, right? Because the only reason we can't really play around these areas is because these are all-time highs, and we don't really know, where the next resistance is per se. All right, even on the 5-minute, this is a wick, right? So yeah, this is pretty much the highest resistance we have currently. All right, and we're currently trading above that resistance. I mean, we just formed this new one. Once this candle closes, you would have formed a new resistance here that it has held, right, more than once, right? You have one tap in, two tap in, three tap in. Now you're rejecting off of there as well, so now you sort of have that as the highest level of resistance, right? But yeah, you can still have some positions here, but you're gonna need price to form some more levels. Yeah, print some more candles, and if news is in our favor, we'll be in there as well, right? But yeah, let's start with GJ real quick. Let's see what GJ is saying. Okay, so monthly on GJ. So one more day left in the month, or 2 more trading days including today, right, left in the month. Like I said, I was expecting price to close inside this range, but then we looked at it yesterday and we came up with another perspective on it, right? Because if this is the candle, right, if this is the move we're trying to mimic, this candle tapped all the way into this, well, into a higher resistance level, right? So this candle only tapped into this 193.5 resistance, while this one tapped all the way into that's like 196 areas, right? So if it's the case that we tapped into 196 and then we came back down and settled in this range, is it now going to be the case that, okay, we tapped into a lower level, so we're going to come back and settle into a lower range, right? So this settled inside this range, so this one might just settle in this range. All right, so that's a possibility as well, but we'll see, right? We'll see. It's looking more and more to be the case, but we'll see. We'll see, because news is gonna, or news might do some craziness here, so we'll see as we go. But we are bullish. Weekly still bullish as well. We have our bottom wick, and if we're saying we're gonna close somewhere inside this range, right? So 192.2 is the resistance. 192.2, yeah. So we could come up for the day, maybe tomorrow. We sort of come up, create a top wick, maybe come back inside the range, that kind of vibe. But again, it's yet to be seen. But I am bullish overall. The daily time frame is not really bullish. It's saying more bearish. Yeah, because sort of have this level now. I mean, it's still not a confirmed level in my opinion until this candle right here closes. So this is more of a fake out right now. It's looking more of a fake out. All right. Yeah, because where's this level to the left? I'm sure where this level is to the left. Okay, so have your resistance there. You have a resistance there. So yeah, if you're considering that level, this is looking more of a fake out, right? So that would be bearish. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm bearish off of this. I understand we closed bearish on the daily, but we are still respecting this support. We never even closed below these lows right here, right? Or this previous support, right? We never really closed below this previous level. So I do think at any point in time here, I would have preferred if this came back, if this came all the way down to take these lows. But I do think at any point here we could flip and continue to push up to fill the rest of this range going up, right? So yeah, just keep that in mind that this might just be a fake out. And if it is a fake out, I would still expect these highs to get taken out before we start driving down. So you would still have room for buys here. So let's see what the 4 hour is saying. Okay, you have a minor level there. 1, 2, 3 that held. Okay, in terms of support, I think I like that level. Yeah, so my levels remain pretty much the same on the 4. If we can get closures above 191.4, we should be good for the buys going up, or closures below 198.45, right? Maybe put this a little lower. Yeah, for now, leave it. Yeah, leave it there for now. Yeah, so 4 hours pretty straightforward. I would have preferred to tap into this level before we started to make this push back up, but it might not mean much. We might not actually need to tap into that level, so we'll see. Okay, the hourly, our bread and butter right here. So I am looking for buys, right? I am looking for buys in the long run. Okay, 30. Do my Charlie. Okay, let me see. 30 there. Let me see. Yeah, it's a large range. I'm trying to see if it's possible to get any entries even within the range. Okay, so yeah, this whole range, I mean, you could play the range, but yeah, I would prefer a closer outside this whole range, to be honest. Yeah, I would prefer a closer outside the whole range. I mean, if we come down, so what is this, 180 point or 190.8? What is that on the 4? 190.8. So that's a flip of this. Yeah, you do have sort of a minor level here. All right, you have a minor level here. Well, you can have it here as well. Yeah, flip below 190.8, you could start driving down, right? Okay, so I mean, if we get this a closer below this level here on the 30-minute, and it sort of coincides with well, it wouldn't, right? It wouldn't coincide with, yeah, if the 30-minute closure below 190.8 coincides with a 4 hour flip and a closure below as well, yeah, you could start seeing some early sells, but for now I'm gonna have my sells down here, right? 190.5. And then for my buys, pretty straightforward, just above the range. If we break back into this range, right, create a bottom wick, and we should be good for the drive up. But I don't know if we'll be good for the drive up, but that's what we're gonna be looking for anyways. Yeah, so these are my levels for now. I believe these are my levels for now. 15.5. Yeah. And we're working our way up here, bro. You should, if you wanted to be part of this move, you should be in there already. To be honest, this would be the wrong time to get in, at least for me anyways. At least for me. She's beautiful to me. Yes, sir. Steady, man. Steady, steady, steady. Steady. Hold on one sec, man. I joined the okay. I'll go unmute you in a bit, bro. One sec. Nah, I just got on. I got on Discord now, but I'll unmute you in 1 second, my brother. Let me just go over gold real quick. Okay, so gold, yeah. So gold, I mean, what can I say about gold, right? If you bought anywhere in here, and I was tempted to be honest, like while we were still down here, I was tempted to just hit the buy, because I mean, hey, after this formation, this support held, we started pushing up. I mean, minimum, I was like, okay, we're gonna clear 2140, right? But I didn't really have a position off of it. I just wanted it to buy just because, right? But yeah, but that monthly gold is bullish, right? Gold bullish, weekly bullish, straightforward, right? Daily bullish, we closed above yesterday on the daily. Yeah, I was trying to get something during Asian, but it never really played out for me. I think this move happened in London, probably. Yeah, let me see. I'd say current level is there. Have a minor support right there. Yeah, so let's see 4 hour. Let's see the 4. Let's see the 4. Okay. I mean, in terms of direction, pretty straightforward, right? It's just a matter of positions at this point. It's pretty straightforward in terms of direction. But entry wise, I mean, you want to be careful up here. This is all-time highs, right? You don't really have much levels to go off of in terms of where you might run into resistance, right? But with gold, or rather with news, I think we have news today. Well, we do have news today. Unemployment claims or something, or jobless, whatever. So with news, once news gives you that volume, I mean, if you have the formation going up, that news should just help you, or you should be more secure in, even though you don't know where the next resistance is, you'll be more secure in knowing that if you're pushing with news, like if you're pushing with volume, you should just go straight through any resistance, right? Even though you don't know where the resistance is, you should just push through any resistance that is currently on scene, right? And at all-time highs, that could just keep on going up. To be honest, you could just keep on running up. But yeah, I'd be looking to take out profits early, right? Or at least break even early, depending on how we form it, because we could just range around this support here, right? Which would be best case scenario, right? We could just range around this support for the next I think news is at 8:30, so for like the next 30-45 minutes we could just range around this support, and then once news hits, we break out, of the range, and then we can get a position, right? So that would be the best case scenario. And then we would have these highs right here, right, where price tapped into before rejecting the last time we came all the way up here, right? We could have these as our targets, take out your TPs, and hey, the rest are runners, right? But yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Pretty straightforward on gold. It's just a matter of finding an entry, if we can get an entry anyways. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, 30. Let's see, 30. Let me peep this 30. The same as the hourly. Yeah, not really. Not really, not really. Not really, not really. Yeah. So that would be range 2 right here. Alright. Breaking down there, range 1, range 2, something like this. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, these are pretty much our levels, right? Not much else we can do. These are pretty much our levels. Let's see how we close here. Let's see how we close. Hopefully this 30-minute or this I don't know how I would prefer. I mean, if we close below, then we would need to come back up from the 8 o'clock candle, 8:30. Yeah, I mean, if we can close below like this, so this would be the most ideal move for me, in my opinion. If we can close, let me see. So we can close bearish like this, all right? The next 30, so that comes back down again, breaks these lows, takes out these lows, we close back bullish above on the 30. That's when we have news, right? If we have news and then we have a 5-minute candle do something like this, right? As soon as we have a new bottom wick, we can take that going up. All right, so our entry would be somewhere around here. Here, all right? Entry would be somewhere around there. And we go up and you have your runners, right? So let's see if that's what plays out here. Okay, let's see. Wagwan, brother.
Okay.
Man, I say.
So good.
Yes, sir.
Well, gold is at 2-2 right now.
Yeah, man.
That's
Gold up there, bro. Gold is up there. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, we got news at 8:30. Jobless claims, initial jobless claims, GDP growth rate. The US doesn't celebrate Good Friday, yeah?
serious. A bunch of pagans.
Cause I'm seeing news on Friday. That means there's no bank holiday.
Oh, one thing to note, how do I say this now? Not every prop counts certain news. So I thought I was screwed one time because I took a market trade on DAX, but then I was like, oh shit, there's Euro news on the German country, but my account was still fine. And then when I actually went to the fibers and I checked their economic calendar, they didn't count it as high impact news. So take note of that
Wait,
for all the viewers out there.
so your what's it called? Your prop firm, they don't allow you to trade during news.
Yeah. I thought it was 5 minutes before and after, but I checked again and it's 2 minutes before or after. You can't open any new trades
Okay.
or close, I think. But I think it's mostly like you can't open any new trades like 2 minutes before or after news just drops.
Gotcha.
Which is fair. I can't be mad at it.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Oh, jobless in 37 minutes. And it makes sense kind of because some like Forex Factory and my FX book, they're all different news sources. They don't all count the same thing. Sometimes you only see jobless claims on Forex Factory. On my FX book now, you'll see what was the news? Retail sales for Germany and things like that. So I guess it makes sense that they have their own of what they would consider news.
Yeah. Makes sense. How was the week now? How's the trading
It's
week?
all right. I have finally devised my workout plan. My
Let's go to do
regime.
squats.
Every day is leg day.
Let's do squats like a woman. Ugh, disgusting.
Like a spare rib. Hey, you're on YouTube. Be careful with that manner of speech.
Women know they do squats, which kind of like, wow.
No, you said like a woman, implying that it's only for women.
Yes, squats are only for women, of course.
Okay.
The ideal
What
male figure.
is a woman?
The ideal male figure is Johnny Bravo, guy.
What is a woman?
So now you know that one. Man, I'll join you with that one. Man, I blew first before they cancel me. Can you imagine?
No, now they have to cancel you before you blew first. Now that's how it works now.
I don't think so. I don't think that's how it works.
It's through controversy that one blows these days.
At all. And me, I'm not large enough to stir up enough controversy now. So you guys be large enough to actually, because as I did like this, if they cancel me, I don't go with that. Nothing there. Nobody go fight for me now. Only me go the protest.
Quick, how much is 0.008 Bitcoin?
Do the math, innit? How much is 1 Bitcoin?
Let's see.
76, 72. 70K. So what did you say?
Wow.
0. What?
Let's say 76. Oh, wow, already. 7670. Let's say that.
Yeah, what did you say? What was the decimal you said?
0.008. It's $565.36.
Yep.
So a little over $500. Okay. The reason I'm asking is because on my feed just now, next to your live, I saw something saying, hey, owning 0.08 Bitcoin is actually a big deal and it's not too late.
My bro, one sec. Sorry, one sec. You can keep on talking, Shaba, one sec.
No, it's all right. Okay, so for future viewers, well, it'll be too late by then, but buy Bitcoin is going to the moon, probably most likely to 100K, being conservative. God. Nigeria block progress, so unfortunately, boys cannot buy. But to any current viewers, it's highly recommended.
All right, I'm back. Sorry.
It's all good.
So yeah. Summarize everything they talk to. Guys said if you have 0.00 something, it's a lot of money.
Yeah, it's. I just saw the thumbnail. Like owning that is going to be a big deal. He claims.
Mad.
But yeah, let me say it once again on stream: buy Bitcoin before certain individuals say I didn't say anything. I'm still looking for how to move this thing up.
So
Allegedly.
you are willing to allegedly spend $500 on Bitcoin?
Yeah, allegedly, yes.
Fair enough. I don't know if I'm willing to do that.
Man,
To be honest, right? Yeah, actually, I am willing to do it, because if I let's say I buy, yeah, the thing is that I can't buy it all at once, right?
yeah.
I would need to maybe buy maybe like 150, then another 150, that kind of thing. But the price is going to fluctuate from time to time, so
Yeah.
plus I'd have preferred to actually buy it down here. That would have been a lot better. But hey,
Everything's hindsight at the end of the day. Like let's
yeah,
say something magical happens and it gets to 1 million or even 100K. You'd have been like, man, I would have loved to buy at 70K.
in it,
It's
in
all
it.
it's all semantics, man.
This is facts. It's facts.
Even this gold now. When I got in, it was like I think just a little over 2,000, maybe 2,050 or 2,075. Now look where it is.
Yeah, man. If this Shiba
Okay.
Inu gets to like 0.001, I'm a millionaire.
Doge to the moon.
Voila. If somehow that Shiba Inu do mistake and that
Bro,
point
if if
zero
if,
zero one,
if Pi even gets verified or from mainnet now, cashed out.
may I even go check whether my account's
Those
there?
nonsense people, yeah, they have their price out, but they haven't hit mainnet. You can't trade it. You can't even verify yourself.
Don't mind them. Yeah. So we had a hourly close. Nothing special, to be honest, going on the hourly. We sort of have this candle here, this hour candle closed back inside the range, but you have to understand that's not actually the hourly range, right? That is more of a 30-minute range, but or a 30-minute level, sorry, right? So I mean, you could just flip here and drive up, but you have news in 30 minutes, right? So why not just wait? Why not just wait? It is very possible you drive up here though. So if you got some FOMO, you might want to put on some shades, man. I want to look away from the laptop. GJ, I mean, not much going on. Not much going on GJ either. We stayed inside the range, so yeah, earliest trade here is probably gonna be 8:35. Earliest. Oh my bro, you see yesterday guy was here for like 3 hours just to get a trade, man.
Right.
So I didn't get anything on Monday or Tuesday, so I wanted to get something on hump day, you know. So I was out here slaving, man.
Hmm.
Let me clear this. trades taken. Let me remove that. That was yesterday. Hey man, leave a like and subscribe. We're on a 7-win streak on the stream, bro.
Nice.
Come on. You see somebody will get
Oh
money
my.
now. What's up?
No, I was just looking that I didn't really properly register the price, like where gold is at right now. Hold on, let me
Gold
just.
at all-time highs, bro. Well, not really,
Yeah.
but almost at
No, not
all-time
even
highs.
that. Like, there's a sudden push up. I could have gotten in again, but I was like, man, that level, like, my initial TP was, yeah, 2,200 roughly. And since they already hit that during like Asian, maybe, yeah, Asian session, I was like, let me just leave it. It's not going to do anything till news. And then look at it now. Bloody hell.
But where'd you say your entry was?
No, I mean, my TP, my first take profit was set at 2,200, and it hit a long time ago, like before I even opened the chart. So I just assumed it would range up until news, but I was wrong.
Gotcha.
Man, I might just, you know what? I might just trade after news after all. Oh man, and I'm freaking late, but better late than never.
Yeah, late to us.
Actually, no. Okay, so the US indices are looking very bullish, but the news might take me out before it hits, so I'm going to be patient.
By US indices, you mean US 30?
US 30, S&P 500, Nasdaq 100.
Yeah, man. To the moon. To infinity and beyond.
Like if this happened last an hour ago, I might have entered, but with news around the corner, I do not want to chance it. Because you know how strong this news is that's coming. It can literally just take you out, even if you're at like the low of the day,
Facts.
and continue driving.
Facts.
So I can't even not about to do that. I've been seeing memes floating around about one guy giving a speech, and whether he says good afternoon everyone or hello everyone can like change how the market moves.
That's
Have
that
you
boy.
have you heard anything about that?
I mean, I don't know about the meme, but that's that boy Paul Jerome, innit? Jerome Powell.
Our speech or some shit like that.
Yeah, that him they do FOMC. That him they do FOMC
Oh
speech.
no, people are talking about good afternoon everyone, bullish market.
Bro.
Hello everyone, bearish market.
And it's not even an exaggeration. It's an exaggeration in terms of, you know, the good afternoon or whatever. But like during the
Yeah,
speech, bro, once you see like the most important part of the speech are the question is the question section, like the question and answer section. Because people will ask him a question. As soon as he answers, you see price go one way. They'll ask him another question. As soon as he answers, you will see price go the other way. Bro. It's not for the faint of heart. Yeah, so
like
gold coming up.
if the market is Dogecoin, it's Elon Musk.
I swear. Yeah, so gold coming up here, right? Like we did say, we could just drive and kill this whole range before news. I mean, if that happens, it is what it is, right? But I can't really justify getting in right now. Can't really justify getting in right now. If we took out these lows first, maybe, right? Maybe I wait for a 15-minute close and get in, but actually, that's not a bad shout. That's not a bad shot. Yeah, if I get a 15-minute close above this, let me see. Let's see up there. But we had a closer below though, so 15:30. That would need to be a fake out, right? Yeah. So the only way I would get involved with this buys is if we close bullish here. The next 15 comes down, takes out these lows of the previous 15, and then we break the highs again. But that would need to happen at least 10 minutes before news. So the move would have to happen in the first 5 minutes of the next 15-minute candle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I hope it's 7. I'm pretty sure it's 7. 7 on stream anyways. I took some L's in off stream. Well, I've taken 2 L's off stream, but on stream we 7 wins in a row. It's either 6 or 7. How many shorts do I have? At least that much. 3, 6, yeah, so I think 7. But I think I have one trade that doesn't have yeah. Hey, y'all go like the shorts, man. Like the shorts. Like the shorts. Get us up there.
Indeed it does. Boy, 220. Nice.
Not nonsense, shall we thank God, of course, we thank God, but once you can't look for analytics, only like 40% of people they actually watch them.
That's still.
I mean, to be fair, right? It's like you're running into a random forex shot, right? It's like if you don't know the person already, like if you don't follow the person, you would just click off, right? You just scroll by.
Yeah.
Because in your mind, I just normal forex advertisement things. Oh, nah, scam.
Is good.
All right, let's see what we got. If we can get a trade right at 8:30, that would be peachy. That would be just nice. Well, not at 8:30, but
Wait, but you can't trade then, right?
yeah, I mean 8:35, so 5 minutes after.
Yeah.
We can get a trade early. That would be nice. And we have news tomorrow as well, so yeah, we have news tomorrow. I'm not going anywhere tomorrow, which is good as well, because I believe it's a public holiday. But
Wait, the market open then, though. Is the market open tomorrow?
I mean, the US has news, so hey, if the US is open, there's gonna be volume. So I'm in here. Shut up, nigga. No, ain't no yawning over here, bro. We're not tired over here, right?
This is good.
Tired of it. Hey, cool. You see, anytime if you or Rooks are not on stream, guys, just they make up things to the yam myself.
It's good.
Wallah. I've recorded some clips of me saying some, I'll just
Out of pocketry.
No. Just discussing concepts and such.
Oh.
If I run dry on the shorts, I will just start to post those ones. We had another person in here self the other day with a yarn for chat, but like say she know they come back.
She?
The individual claimed to be female, but we don't, that's up for discussion, we don't know.
Say nothing.
I can claim as well to be female, but by the sound of my voice, that might be difficult to back up. All jokes, all jokes, all jokes. Okay, so 15 by the close. Yeah, if you have FOMO, I'd suggest you just brace for impact, right? Because this could just drive up. No cap. No cap. No cap. This could just drive up. And again, I'm looking for the break of these lows for me to get involved with the buys. And it needs to happen in the first 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes. Because then we're pushing a little bit too close to news. Go, GJ, go. Guy, they watch the shots.
Yeah.
What's you think, guy? You get
I like the memes.
You get critique for me.
No, it's clean. The only thing that I maybe actually no, the speed is fine. That's the only thing that I might maybe say. Like maybe try 1.5.
Like it's too
Or like
slow or too fast?
experimenting just a tad bit too fast, but it's
Okay.
fine for me. Actually, no, you know what? Actually, keep it because it's a short at the end of the day. I'm meant to get to the point, so it's fine.
But I'm trying to stay in that. Like I did some statistics, some data analysis. They said the best shots to do around the 49 seconds to 50 something seconds. Yeah, so we coming up here. So we just closed on the 15. We're coming up. Yeah, so I got nothing in here right now. I have no positions, but again, if you're susceptible to FOMO, I'd say look away from your laptop and come back at 8:30. Cause this could just, as soon as we break these highs, we could see a push up. But now that we're opening like this, right? If we come down here, create a bottom wick on this 5 and flip on the same 5, I'll be in there. But as of now, no bueno. No manches. No manches. We are bilingual on this stream. We are bilingual. See what GJ is saying. Yeah, GJ is saying nothing. Cool. So 15 minutes left for news. Hey guy, you see the way they start the stream now?
No, I didn't see the start of it.
See my soundbite.
Let's get ready to rumble!
I mean, it hasn't started yet. Right now, you're on my FX book.
Oh no! Now the audio you guys hear. Mute,
okay, hold on.
Or mute yourself because I feel play them again.
Oh, okay, hold
on. Let's get ready to rumble!
Play it again.
Yeah, that was it.
Oh, nice.
I did run out for beginning of stream.
So like I need to get a mic. I sound somehow on stream.
Huh?
I said I need to get a mic. Okay, hold on.
I mean, you're audible.
Nah, man.
If you get mic, you guys get your you guys start the record video. I hope you know.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
true.
that's part of the. They don't really allow you get the mic unless you promise you sign contract say you will make content.
See this guy.
Well, I currently have my firstborn daughter on the line. I don't even know why when I know they do. I know you get work, so your case different.
Nah. You just call Rockers unemployed.
At all. See, say I no call anybody name, but I don't at all. Now you know. Now you know.
How many of us are here?
Bro, Rooks not even there. I could have just be talking about the man them in general, everybody in general.
Demand them where you know who and who. You know, we're discussing streaming together. Let's
Forget
not act like that. It
streaming,
could be
but
anyone.
did I mention streaming? No, I mean I don't say video. I don't even
Uh,
mention video, sef. I don't talk anything.
okay. Sorry.
Nah, just pray Rooks no come watch this one back. Now beef.
Ah,
That's beef on site. On site.
you-
It's called trolling. We do a little trolling here. We do a little trolling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we're rejecting on the 30-minute on gold. We're rejecting right now. Yeah, so I mean you want this. Let me see. So yeah, so this would be a good closer, right? If this 15 could close bearish, but bearish, you know, respecting this level, that would be a good closer. Then if we have the next 5, right, we have the next 5 close above here, above this level here, but not drive. Yeah, but that's gonna be a tall ask though. Close above but not drive. Yeah, that's a tall ask. I mean, if we
On
end
what,
up closing, yeah, on gold. Yeah, if we end up closing above all-time highs, I mean, yeah, I don't really have much experience with that, to be honest, but if we have a good enough bottom wick, I'll probably get in. Maybe I'll get in without, I don't know. We'll see. You should know, though. You should know. But I don't have much experience or too much experience trading all-time highs, especially with news. Yeah, ideally you want to trade up towards the all-time highs, right? So you have basically a level to work off of to manage your trade, manage your position, and all that.
See, I'm so glad I didn't enter. Now it's stalling. I had a feeling they would do this.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, because we already closed. I mean, you would really need
Oh no, I'm
the.
talking about the US indices. My bad.
Oh, gotcha. Probably waiting for news. All right, let's put some money. Put some money. What we saying? Up or down?
Up or down on what?
Where's news gonna drive gold?
Oh, I have no idea. Jobless claims have been lost. I do not know. So 8 minutes. Next up.
We going up. We about to go up
On a Tuesday.
on a Thursday. Yeah, my money is on up, bruh. My money is on up. We going up.
I don't know, I just have this gut feeling that there's going to be some push down before it goes back up.
Hey, as long as it gives us entries, I don't mind. Me don't mind. Me I feel I don't mind. Me I feel I don't mind. Bumbacla. How's the music level? The sound. It's alright, yeah.
I mean, I have you muted on YouTube, so I wouldn't know.
Okay.
I put a poll. Where will news drive gold? I vote down.
That's incorrect. You are incorrect.
I'm hoping I'm correct. Usually I have shit luck, so hopefully it drives gold up.
Yes. If we can get let's not forget GJ. GJ is also a thing. GJ is also a thing, right? So let me see. I mean, yeah, I would have preferred we come down here, take out these lows. I would have preferred that before getting in buys, but let's see. Let's see how price forms in 4 minutes. Bro, do you know I just came up with a perfect plan to increase our viewer rate or our viewer count or whatever.
Okay.
You see Sunday, yeah. The market opens on Sunday on my end anyways, right? And almost nobody streams that Asian session. So Asian session on Sunday, almost nobody streams that, or at least for free, right? So if I go and take that slot, and if that's the only Asian session I trade, there are gonna be people such as myself, because I've been on the markets on Sunday before, just looking at who is streaming, trying to find some guidance, So if I take in that slot, I might just be able to grow, grow the audience a little bit,
Fair.
I think I will attempt that this Sunday. See what I want. Good morning. This is imagine when they run this stream like a radio show. The people go they calling with requests.
That wouldn't be bad.
Say now, can you enter 10 lots on gold? Say yeah, sure.
Why not?
Ay. I never play United since one, and I'm too sure I did close to master rank.
Hey, that game, man. Like I can barely even freaking log in.
Oh, you still having internet issues?
No, like my internet's fine now, but you know how it is now in Nigeria. Like for games and like online gaming in general, it's a whole
Nah,
different ballpark from just downloading or watching stuff.
for sure. Hit or miss.
Honestly,
You see they play and which one that one? Power World.
no, I never bought it. Remember,
Uh,
if not behind you.
I think the hype reduced. Wow, or maybe not
It's
because
gone down a bit, but it's still a good game. Like, but you know the internet now, short attention span on everything.
this is true. All
Because I
right,
peep the gameplay, it's actually really fun.
bet
Like, it's not just purely hype.
bet. If you man do it, I'll do it.
Mm, 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 mm.
If you man get it, I'll get it.
Mm, mm, mm.
Yeah. Okay, so news about to drop. All right. In 5 seconds. Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay, interesting.
Hmm. I mean, well, let's give it time.
I mean,
So
interesting
far,
close.
yeah, some bullish signal on gold,
So it
but
looks like
the rest. Oh, and of course, it's just driving straight up. Maybe I should have entered. Nah, I don't. No regrets. No regrets. News could have done anything, but yeah, it looks like the U.S. indices will just go straight up.
mad. Yeah,
At least
so
Nas 100 and S&P are. Yeah, actually, all of them, all three of them, are pushing up right now. No room for entry. Wonderful.
so GJ don't fuck all. Um the gold, the 30-minute closer on gold, right? So we closed bullish, right? Yeah, we closed bullish. So we sort of had a fake out in both directions, right? We sort of closed bearish back into the range, and then this 30-minute closed bullish, right? Closed bullish above the range. Let me see. The 30. I mean, I would have preferred if we just closed bullish above this level here, this resistance as well. That would have been preferred, but I think just the fact that we closed back above this level here is good enough. So now we've taken out those lows. I mean, volume hasn't really kicked in right now. Actually, let me see how this news came out. So news is mixed. Yeah, news is sort of mixed. We had actual, yeah. So I mean, news might not do anything because I mean, this was positive, this is negative, this is neutral, right? So that might just cancel each other out, and then you have positive over here, right? So if anything, news is positive. If anything, news is positive, and that's bad for the dollar, right? That means we're going down, right? But for the most part, it's mixed news, right? For the most part, it's mixed. So anything can happen, but you basically have two good folders and one bad folder. That's basically what you have. So if anything, the volume is saying we're going down, or the news is saying we're going down, but we're not really seeing much volume here. So definitely nothing on GJ. All right, GJ, that's gonna be a 4-hour close. We're gonna wait for the 4-hour to close on GJ. You could drive up though. I mean, you broke above, you retested, you held support. Yeah, but to confirm the move, I would need, let me see, daily. Yeah, confirm the move, I would need that 4-hour to close above, I believe, because then that would be a daily flip as well. We should be good to drive from then. Yeah. Yeah, as for gold, I like the general formation right now, right? We close back above, we've taken out these lows. So I can't get in here based off of news, but I can still get buys here. Just not, my basis can't be off of news. Okay, we've taken out these lows. Let me see something. I just need a level of potential rejection though. Let me see.
Oh, is it coming back? Wonderful. Never back down. Let's go.
Never back down, never surrender. This.
Okay, I'm in. Let's hope that pans out well.
You're on what?
In US 30. Oh, okay, that's why. Yeah, and set a buy stop there. Okay, looks like the indices might be melting. Not entirely sure, or was that just pullback? Okay, no. Hesitation is defeat.
Okay, so I like the bottom wick we're getting on this 15-minute right here. Okay, so 15-minute 30. So we just broke the hourly lows, previous hourly lows, right? But we took out the highs already as well. Let me see. We're driving
Okay,
down.
so I'm in US 30 and I have I wish there was a way to just quickly copy the freaking you know, I mean there's probably an EA for it or a script.
Okay, so I'm trying to see where would make the most sense. So we've taken out, my fault, we've taken out the hourly lows, right? The previous hourly lows. Now the question is, can we have a buy stop here at the flip of this 15 or this 30? So, well, it's the same flip, right? If that 15 flips, so now we came down, we're tapping into the moving averages as well. We haven't really had, I mean, in terms of rejection, right? This would be the level. This would be the level, right? Okay, I'll tell you what. If we tap into this level, if we tap into 2206, I'll have a buy stop on the flip of this candle. But I want to tap it exactly. I want to tap into that level exactly. Yeah, so 2206, that's, yeah, so that's a little bit higher up, no? Yeah, so if we tap into 2206 here, I'll have a buy stop on the flip of this candle. But you could just start pushing up here, because we have taken out the previous hourly lows, right? If we never made this top wick on the hourly, right, I would have gotten in, or I would have had the buy stop set already. But we have made this top wick, and the previous hourly closed bearish, right? So we've never actually had a bullish closure yet, and the previous hourly also, I mean, it's sort of closed below the level, right? You sort of had a fake out, but that level is on the 30. It's not really on the hourly though, is it? So if you're looking just at the hourly levels, this is almost like a retest. Okay, yeah, things start to change when you move the levels around, which is why it is important to know where you have your levels. Okay. Que lo que. Okay, so what I'm gonna say, right? Okay, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
No issue.
Okay, my fault. I'm back. Okay. So. Okay, how did this 5-minute close? Okay, let's see. Let's see what this 5 minute is gonna do here. And 30. So off of this, we drove down heavy, right? We've driven down heavy. Okay. This level here, right? 5. Oof. Okay, so 5 closed back above this level. Okay. So things are getting very interesting here. Things are getting very interesting here. Okay, 5 closed back above that level. So we tapped in, created that low. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna have a buy stop. Let me see, hourly, flip in 4 hour as well. 4 hour is gonna close 35. But that doesn't have a bottom wick though. Yeah, wait for this 15. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for this 15 minute to close. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes to close, but also understand that you could just drive up, because with the way we're pushing up here, if we flip on this 15, you could just drive straight up. But why I can't have a buy stop in there right now is because, I mean, one, we're very close to the 4 hour close, and we tend to pull back, right? We tend to pull back this close to the 4 hour close, and we're currently bearish, right? I mean, this 5 minute, we closed above a level here, 2208, which if you look to the left, right, is a major resistance. It held as major resistance in the past, right? So now if we came all the way down there, we didn't close below, we respected it as support. Can we do the same thing that we did, but basically in reverse, right? You see this big push down from the level, right? Now can we have the opposite go on? All right, can we have the opposite happen? Can we have a big push up from this level, right? That's what we're currently trying to see. But I think we should wait for a 15-minute closure minimum. Yeah, let me see, is GJ doing anything? Nope. Yeah, so I think we should wait for this 15-minute close. If this 15-minute can actually flip close bullish, I'll probably be in. If we have a good bottom wick, which really I don't really need much of a bottom wick, I just need a bottom wick, and I'll be in. But if this 15-minute closes bearish below, yeah, stay out of that until the hourly closes, because this level right here, if you end up respecting this level, we're gonna drop heavy.
Okay, so I was formerly bullish on the US indices, but I am wrong on that count right now.
What's US 30 saying?
Sales are forming. I'm just waiting for some signal confirmations.
Yeah, I would say wait for the hourly close, bro.
Nah, trust me, I just need to wait the next 5 minutes. I get it. I mean, I'm already in one. I'm in oof, a tad bit of well, profit is profit, but it's not much. But I'm a little bit above, like in the green when I trade.
Fair enough. Yeah, 'cause I mean, I rate the sales though. I do rate the sales. The only reason I would wait for the close is just because this 30-minute close bullish. So if you have a bearish closer back inside the range here on the US 30, you probably drive down.
Oh no, it's not US 30. S&P and NAS 100.
Oh, okay.
US 30 is still stalling.
Yeah, 4-hour flip. Yeah, 4 hours about to flip on the US 30 as well. Yeah, you took out those highs. Yeah, I rate it. I rate the shout. Yeah, so 15-minute about to close here. If we close below, we don't have to use our brain, right? We can just watch the 4-hour close. But if we close above, you have to start we have to start vetting our possible positions here. It looks like we're gonna close below though. Looks like we're gonna close below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we closed below, which is still okay, right? It's just still okay. In terms of taking the sales down, I mean, if we were gonna take this, if we were gonna sell here, this would be the level that we would sell off of. This right here. As soon as we broke these lows, we would just melt, right? If we were gonna sell. So if you're not in already, just wait till the hourly close, to be honest, because if we were gonna melt here, this would be the level. We've tapped into the level for melting, right? So if we're gonna melt, that's what's gonna happen here. But let's see. Let's see if we can get some support back to the top side. Because this 30-minute is still open. The hourly candle is still open as well. So at any point here, this could flip. Right, this whole thing could flip. We close bullish. We get a little bit of a bottom wick on the next candle. We take those buys going up, right? That's the 4-hour close as well. That would be the 4-hour close above the level, right? So we're just looking for a closure above 2208. We just need a closure above 2208. If it's a bullish closure, even better. But we really just need a closure above 2208. Come on, pendejo. Let's go. Hey, yo. Fam.
What happened? Yeah?
The funded trader.
Yeah, what happened?
Guess what?
What?
They down, bro.
Wait, what? The funded trader.
Yeah, it's a prop firm.
Oh, like, are you actually serious or?
Yep. They have suspended all operations.
Their website is the Funded Trader Program, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. The funded. I knew. Oh, let me calm down for stream. But remember, TFT was one of the props I warned you about. Do you remember that?
Yeah, man. I was considering
TFT
them.
and
So
true funded trader and true funded forex. I freaking called it because they were already on a list. You know, back in the MFF, whatever, they were on a list, either SEC or some securities operation. They were on the watch list, guy.
yeah.
Madness. See, this is why. See,
Can we get a
let me not try and throw.
can we
There,
get a
there could definitely
RIP?
be legit ones, but other than the fivers and FTMO, I honestly wouldn't trust any. If God,
Said
that's
after it
crazy.
came, they said the suspension of operations came after it faced a wave of complaints for payout denials. Crazy.
Oh wow, that's crazy. Could you share the link in the live stream? Like, is it an article or a social media thing that you saw it on? I just went on their website.
I saw it on a
They're
meme
like,
actually. I saw it on a meme, but I'm seeing this one in let me see.
that's crazy. They're saying the future of TFT is coming now. So isn't that what MFF said? My Forex Funds. They said they will be coming by like September last year, or I think maybe even the year before that. They're on the website. They're saying like basically in 21 days they'll be back, or that the future of or whatever prop trading pauses all operation. That's crazy without any solid time. Payout denial. That's crazy.
Yeah. For any of y'all in funded,
That's another one. They were quite, let me not say prominent, but they were.
Oh yeah,
they were well.
They were prominent,
known.
bro. They were up there with MFF, at least in America.
I wouldn't say MFF.
Nah, in the bro. In the US, they were up there, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
What is a true funded trader? Okay. And let's look at their trust pilots. This is why I say like you really have to be.
This one is the funded trader. It's not true funded trader.
Oh, okay.
It's just defunded trader.
They have a 4 overall score on Trustpilot.
That's out of 5 or 10?
Yeah, 4 out of 5.
Yeah.
And here's the thing: 76% of the reviews are 5 stars. Although worryingly, their second biggest percentage are 13% 1-star reviews.
So
one 4-star review that's recent, 3 hours ago. Now the true funded trader suspended everyone's account for maintenance reason, and it is showing that they require 21 days to fix everything. Best trading platform, but nowadays they're doing a lot of maintenance work. Wait, is it closed only due to maintenance?
I mean, like it's not like they got taken down.
That doesn't make sense, though.
Like, it's not just maintenance, but it's not like it's not like the case of MFF where like an outside body, right, like a governmental body
they
came
shut themselves down.
Yeah. So it's not. It was no RICO.
Oh, that's a crock of shit, though. But So if I wanted to withdraw, I had funds like Let me read some other reviews. You're still a procedure.
I mean, it says. I mean, the what's it called? The CEO of Funded Trader, he said we'll be relaunching the brand, but with a slightly different look and feel. Over the coming week, we'll post updates on the relaunch of TFT is coming.
Remember, MFF did something like that, and they didn't need to shut down. That's not a good enough excuse for me. Because MFF, remember, they rebranded too a little bit, and they updated their website. They were able to do it without screwing people over. At the very least, you could still use your accounts. Let me look at some other.
A
It's
notice
been
on
3
the
weeks, and I still can't place
I think they gave people time. I think they gave them some forewarning. However, did not clarify if the timer is for its relaunch. Wait, what? We'll follow up with specifics as well. A notice on the prop firm's website noted with a countdown timer of 21 days. What does that mean?
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, thank you.
Not you. I was right all along. Well, not right all along, but right the first time.
Oh, it has a. There's a countdown timer on their website.
Yeah, I said that.
Okay. Okay, I guess maybe that's when they're coming back, but we'll see. We shall see. So what does that now mean for people that are currently funded? Like,
Exactly. It's BS, dude. Like that's actually screwed. Imagine you're just trading one day and then they tell you this thing.
I
Or like let's
mean,
say you have a pending payout or withdrawal.
yeah. I
It's
mean,
bollocks, fam.
they could have made some provisions for that, but I would need to
At the
read
very
more.
least, what they could have done was pause like pay registration. Like okay, you can't buy any new accounts for a certain time being like ahead of time, and
Yeah.
like let's say okay, you'll still be able to trade your account if need be, or they at least give you notice, but then they just take down the website because this whole maintenance thing, it seems like a website issue, and you really should be able to create a new one like without
No, I don't think it's just
messing
the
up your old one.
website issue at this point. If
Did
there
they
is an,
specify what the problem is?
that's the thing. I would need to read more into it, to be honest, because for all we know, they actually gave people like some forewarning, right? Because if basically they said, okay, anybody on a challenge, we're gonna pause your challenge, right? But they gave them forewarning, like 5 days notice or 1 week notice. You get like, oh, if you're on a challenge, we're gonna pause it. If you're already funded, we're gonna give you the um the opportunity to take your profit out now, right? That kind of thing. If they did that,
Hmm.
then okay, no wala. But I don't really know the details of how everything came about. If they just sprung it up on people like, oh, surprise, you can't log in again, sorry, then that's yeah, that's something different. Okay, there goes your flip. So the 30-minute just flipped. Let's see.
Quite a few people complaining about it.
GJ doing anything? Okay, GJ
Should have
might
left
not do
everything
much.
as is, man.
DJ
Ah,
might not do much, but
say that.
Goldilocks. Yeah, so we
Just
even
like go
closed
along.
below. So this would be a fantastic position to take, right? Because we even closed below this level. If we were gonna drive down, we would have driven off of this level, I believe, right? So the fact that we closed below and now we're closing back above, yeah, as soon as this 30-minute closes, hopefully we close. I mean, the issue now is how much of a bottom wick am I expecting? If this were an all-time highs, I would say not that much, right? I would just need a bottom wick and then drive up.
Man, ah, life.
Life.
Nah, but to be fair, it was my fault. I never got a sell signal on US 30. The pullback just spooked me. So it's on me actually.
What, you missed
Ah.
you missed the entry, or
No, I
it's
got in, but I closed because I thought it was going to sell. I got sell signals on the other two, but not on US 30. So I just assumed that US 30 would follow suit, which it usually does, but apparently not.
mm, on to the next one. Okay, yeah, so we're pushing up here. Worst case scenario. I mean, worst case scenario is always we take an L, right? But in terms of entries, worst case scenario is this candle just drives all the way up to 22.22.
Hmm.
because at that point, I mean, you're at all-time highs, right? So if you're taking more buys, hey, Godspeed with that one. I don't know.
Let's
Yeah,
take
yeah.
a look.
You really want to close like the way price is right now. Like right now, if you close like this, perfect. If you could just close like that, create a bottom wick, I'll be in on the break of the highs. Yeah, so now this 4 hour is about to fill up its own high. If we break that 4 hour high again, we might just drive, to be honest, before the minute, before we close in a minute here. But let's see.
Yeah. Nvidia stock is mad bearish right now, but I still think it will push. I'm just
Nvidia.
waiting
Buy the dip.
for the
Buy the dip.
signal. Exactly. That's what they were saying back in 2020.
Buy
Oh,
the dip.
good.
Sell at the highs. Buy the dip. Okay, 1 minute. All right, guys. Just get active. Get active. Get active. Get active. So I mean, GJ could also close above, but let's focus on gold for now. Let's focus on gold for now. Yeah, so get active. Get active. Let me see. Oof. Yeah, we really want to close with a top wick as well. Really want to close with a top wick. Okay, so that would be just the 4 hourly lows. Let's see, what is this? Okay, so there you go. There's your bottom wick. Yeah, bro. I wanted more of a bottom wick though. Damn. This could drive. This could drive. Shit. Did we just flip?
BRB.
Yeah, my broker and this is saying two different things, but that would be 0.1, right? See, we could flip. Yeah, that's the problem, though. We don't have a level to go off of. Let me see. Is there a level on the minute? Nope. So I don't have buy stops in quite yet. See, how's the 5 minute forming? Let me retest. We can retest this level. Retest the level, break those highs. Should have decent buys going up.
You want to buy?
Yeah. Let me see. 5 GJ. Okay, how did GJ? What the hell? GJ. What did GJ do? Okay, so GJ closed weird. Very weird.
Yeah, GJ didn't do anything.
Yeah. It had this last second push up. And the current candle continued to push up. I mean, if you're gonna take buys here, I'd say wait for the 15-minute close at least. But in terms of sales, you could have sales on the flip if the candle flips, because that's current 4 hour, right? Yeah, dependent. To be honest, if we get up to like 191.5 and then we flip on this 4 hour, I'll take the sales going down, but that's still a little while to go, to be honest. I mean, we could get there. It's not too far away, but You never know. Okay, gold has come back into a level where I am comfortable with having a bottom wick, right? Okay, so okay. Question now, where do I have my stop loss though? So we never came up there, so that would be 0.1, 0.43. Let me see, came up there, so let me see this level here. This level. Okay, so I'm gonna have a buy stop. That's 0.8. I'm gonna have a buy stop on these highs, on the break of these highs. At about let me see, what is this? 2217.2. 4.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so I have buy stops. I have buy stops on the break of this high at 2217.4. Yeah, TPs of course all-time highs. If you break those all-time highs, you could continue pushing, right? And at that point your runners could go wherever, right? Your runners could go to infinity and beyond, to be honest. But let me see. So we have this weekly is gonna close in a little bit. This monthly is about to close as well, so we're gonna, of course we're gonna close bullish, right? Well, we'll see what tomorrow does, but most likely we're closing bullish. Let's see that level. Yeah, so we already tapped into this level. We pushed up. Next candle didn't do much. Hourly straight drive up. So came there. Let me see. It's a wick rejection. Wick rejection. Played around a little bit. Okay, yeah. So I have buy stops here at 2217.4 at the flip or the break of these highs. To be honest, the steeper this bottom wick continues to go, the better, right? Once we flip. But I do believe I will want to be in. If we close bearish on this 15-minute, if we close bearish below 2212, I'll delete the stops and wait for the 30-minute close. But as long as we respect this 22-112, I'll keep the order going. Yeah, I'll keep the order going. But let's see there. Let's look at GJ real quick and see what going. So 4-hour close back inside the range. Okay, we're still respecting this resistance, and we have driven off of this level before. We've driven heavy off that level actually. So if we have a flip, if we get a flip on if we get a flip of this candle, are we gonna drive? We're gonna see a drive down. That's a good question. 4-hour, hourly, 30-minute. I could come here and find resistance. Yeah, let's see how this 15-minute closes on GJ. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. If this 15-minute closes bearish, let me see. So it's a good level here. Yeah, if we close bearish on this 15 below 191, I'll consider the sells. Yeah, 191. That would be around. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what's good. Let's see what goes on. Let's see what goes on here. But we do have buy stops in on gold. See how the 5-minute forming. This 5-minute flips. High chance we get activated. But let's see. Oh snap. Yeah, we're coming down here. If you see this 5-minute flip bullish, like quick, like this during this last minute, if you see this 5-minute just flip quick, high chance we get activated. Whether we're gonna drive up, or whether we're gonna continue to drive up, I don't know, but high chance we get activated though. Let me just put in my stop loss and all that good stuff. I don't know better. Bro, do you use a position sizer?
Huh?
You use a position sizer?
I guess you could call it that. Yeah.
I beg, send me the. Or which one? Like, where did you download it from?
It's mql5.com.
Okay.
You can download it. Let me.
Cause man, they always
Actually, no. Let me just
calculate.
find it directly. Yeah, it's so convenient.
Yeah, they always use calculator. They calculate how many pips I want to use. I'll be sorry, how many lots rather.
Hashtag not sponsored, but yeah.
Put down for the Discord, I beg.
I already put it
No,
there,
you
but
can put it.
I'll
No, it doesn't matter. I'm just saying, put it on the Discord
put it on both
for my own personal.
for your perusal. Free, and you can either do it according to size, percentage. Like it's convenient. Like if you want to risk a specific dollar amount,
Yeah, that's what I want.
or a certain percentage, then yeah.
Yeah.
And it's visual. It's fantastic. Just yeah, keep it.
I'm trying to risk a specific amount. Currently, I risk 100 on gold, and I risk 250 on GJ.
Well, look who showed up.
Okay, so we're continuing the drive down.
Ruckus, you can take over for me. I have to go for a bit.
No. I just came to see what you guys are discussing. Honestly, I'm not even trading. I gave up.
Not a problem, bro. Appreciate you. Yeah, so we come
What?
in.
I'm not doing anything.
What?
I said, appreciate what? I'm not doing anything.
No, your time, bro. Gotta appreciate when people, when people give you their time, that's the most important thing in life is time, bro. Well, not really, but it's one of the most important things in life. If you have made the decision to spend your time supporting your brethren, that is cause to be appreciated. Hence, I appreciate you. Even though you're a swine, a common man. Yeah, so this 15 about to close, right? Yeah, again, you just want a closer above 22.14. Is that even the level I had before? I don't think so. Is that the level? I don't think so. Well, it's the level I have now anyways, right? So I really just need this 15 to close above 22.14. And I'll keep the what's it called? I'll keep the order in the buy stops. I'll keep the buy stops, but if we close below like this, I'm gonna delete the buy stops and wait for the 30-minute close. Because what we could just do, if we close bearish like this, we could come up, activate, and then just melt and then just flip, right? So that's what we want to avoid. We want to avoid such fuckery. So we wait. But I'm not, yeah, I don't foresee me being here longer than 9:30 today. Yeah, it's not gonna be like yesterday. We've had a trade for the week on stream, so I'm happy with that. The only reason I stayed so long yesterday was because I just needed a trade on stream, you know, because we hadn't taken a trade all week. Just needed one, and I got my one. Okay, 15 is about to close here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna delete the buy stops. Gonna delete that. Yeah, news has been so janky this whole week, bro. Even last week as well. This whole month, the news has been janky. Like it'll bring volume but no direction. Crazy, no? Yeah, so that's the 15-minute close. Let me see, how did 15 close on GJ as well? Yeah, my levels on GJ are a little all over the place. One sec. Okay, so weekly doing that. Okay, daily doing this. Monthly, I want the monthly to close inside this range. So what am I saying? The daily, we flipped on the daily, never took the low, so we could just drive back down. But we did close bearish previous daily though. Close inside this range. We've driven down from this range in the past as well, right? Close below. Let's see, so this will be a 30-minute close above here. Okay, that would be this level over here. All right, for your support. Yeah, as for GJ, right? Yeah. Yeah, as for GJ, I would want so this 30-minute is flipping right now. You could just drive down, it is a possibility, but I would wait for a closer below 191. Yeah, a closer below 191 on the 30. Right, flip of the hourly, that's the 4-hour flipping as well. Yeah, if you're closing below there, you have some range going down. You have some range going down to 190.84. Yeah, so I could play that level as well. So yeah, so we might get positions right at 9:30. If we do, I'll take those, and you know, I'll wait on stream for however long it takes to play out. But yeah, if we don't have anything at 9:30 on the dot, it's gonna be wraps for me for the day. Oh man, I got some calculations to do, bro. Crazy. Simple calculations too. I'm just slow, dog. I'm just slow. 30-minute. Let's see. Man, at this point, I don't even think I want the 30-minute to close bullish, because if we close bullish, we up. Well, no. We can close bullish. This is still a decent amount of range. Yeah, it's still a decent amount of range. We can close bullish. Yeah, so 15-minute close below. If then we flip, or if the 30-minute flips, that means the 15-minute we have a fake out on the 15, which is just added confluence, right? If we get a little bit of a bottom wick on the next 30, I mean, I'll just hit buy. I don't even think I'll have buy stops. I'll just market execute, take the buys. Let me see. Yeah, so we have one more week. So next week will be the last week before, you know, time runs out. So in order for us to continue with the current profit, we need to be at 5%, right? So we need to make about $100 more here, right? We need about $100 more. It's doable, right? It's doable, but I'm not gonna rush into anything, right? Because as long as we're in profit, we'll get a new challenge, right? Regardless. And hey, it is what it is, right? Better than having to buy a new challenge, right? So yeah. So, and for anybody that's, you know, if you're taking a plan, or if you're currently in a, you know, in a funded challenge or something, right? Currently in a funded challenge, you ain't doing too good right now. I want you to take a look at this chart. Yep. I want you to take a good look at this chart. Right? All good, all good, all good, right? Steady moving up, boom. Right? One time, just everything gone, right? But hey, we came back we rose from the ashes, you know, we saved the account, got a free retry, and now we've been steady going up, right? So just because you're down right now doesn't mean you're down forever. You know what I mean? Such is the process, such is the nature of the beast. There's no one direction there's no one direction in the markets. You're gonna have your periods of consolidation, you're gonna have your periods of uptrend, you're gonna have your periods of downtrend, you know. Such is life, such is the nature of the beast. Okay, so 9 minutes. 9 minutes here. Come on, what can we get in 9 minutes to? There's let me just might as well. Yeah, so 1 second, I'll be back. I'll be back. We're waiting on the 30-minute close here.
Are we still streaming or is it over? Oh, I'm unmuted.
I'm
Fuck
here.
me.
I'm here, broski. I'm just
Nice one. Man, US 30, I should have stayed in the initial trade. But yeah, I'm in profit on that one. It's unfortunate that I closed the last two prematurely, but oh well.
it is what it is.
It's just for the remaining two. Like, but if which one is it? If NAS 100 and S&P 500, if they behave well, it will still be actually hell. If I get one good trade, like if one trade hits TP today, I'll be in net profit.
Nice. And that's all we
But
need.
yeah, news didn't do as much as I thought. Like on the indices, at least, they didn't bring much
Yeah, and
volume or like
it brought
push.
volume, but not direction. You get it. Just sort of
Yeah, I guess
taking
that's
nothing.
fair.
Just
They didn't
taking
push
nothing.
price really. I think maybe that's a better way of saying it.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get a chance to check out the position sizer?
No. I'll do that. I'll do that afterwards.
All right. You're trading on MT4, right?
Yep.
No, okay. Oh,
Oh, wow. Did they do it?
it's one. I was looking at WhatsApp statuses and the music was loud as fuck.
Yeah.
Then again, it might happen by two, but oh yeah, we check. Wait, so are you in any trades right
Nope.
now? Okay. Did you take any trades?
Nope.
Oh, it happened.
I guess this is fake news. I'm not
And
AFK.
Invincible still have not dropped.
All right. So there goes the
Bloody hell.
30-minute close. 30-minute close bearish on gold. So you want to wait on gold. Yeah, I don't have any entries. I don't really have any entries on gold, to be honest. GJ on the other hand, I mean, 15-minute close bearish. It looks like we're creating a top wick here. We already had this bottom wick. Yeah, I tell you what, on GJ, if we break the highs, if we break the current 30-minute highs or hourly highs, they're the same thing. If we break those highs and then flip on this 30, I'll have sells. Yeah, once we break those highs, I'll have sell stops. Yeah, on the flip of the 30, I'll have sell stops. But yeah.
Oh, fuck me.
I mean, I'll wait for the first 5 minutes here. If it happens in the first 5 minutes, that's cool. If not, I'm gonna head off the stream. Yeah, so let's see if we can tap into that level on this first 5 minutes. Yeah, today's I mean, not a disappointing day, but I really thought a lot more would happen. Yeah, so let's see. Can we tap that level? Can we break those highs in this next 3 minutes? Let us see.
Yeah, I guess that's something. You could put the blame on me. Wait, why did I close that?
Okay, so we're coming up to first 5. Are we gonna tap? Let's see. 30 seconds left. Okay, so yeah, the 5 minute just closed, so yeah, that's about to be wraps for me for the day. Yeah, as I'm signing off, if we somehow come up here and tap 191.22 while I'm signing off, then I'll take the I'll put the sell stops in. But yeah, that's about it for me, guys. What I'm gonna look for here, if we don't come up here eventually and tap here, I mean, if we come here and tap this level, I'll have my sell stops. But if not, I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute close at least, right? So I'm gonna wait for the 15 minutes to flip, close bearish, and then take the sells going down. Let me see, 30. So 30, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be looking for on GJ. And one second.
All right. Wonderful.
Yep, sorry about that. Okay. And yeah, so that's what I'm looking for on GJ. On gold, what I'm gonna be looking for is, let me see, so 15 respect, or 15 currently respecting. Yeah, ideally I want to see a bullish closer on the 30. Yeah, if this 30 could close bullish, that would be good. Another thing that could happen is a 15-minute bullish close, and then we come down, take the lows, then continue going up. So yeah, oh man, my cardio is gone, bro. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for me. So yeah, thanks for showing up, broski. You see that? Yeah, so thanks for the time. Thanks for showing up. Remember, we're here every single day, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watt, right? West African time. So yeah, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.